Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I want to teach you how to make origami.
In this video have two origami. First, sunglasses origami and second, butterfly origami.
Sunglasses tutorial.
Step first is to fold the paper into triangle. Step 2. Cut off the excess paper.
1 hour later.
When it is finished cutting the paper, it will become square. Fold the end of the paper over. Fold the bottom pitch up to the point where the triangle are, leaving a small margin.
One hour later.
5. Turn the paper and fold the end of the paper over. And cut the folded part earlier.
2,000 years later.
Next, fold up small triangle in each of the larger triangle. Then fold the side up. And this is the result.
Butterfly tutorial.
First step is to fold the paper into triangle. Second step is cut off the excess paper.
A few inches later.
Fold the paper, make it rectangle. Next, cut the paper and make it square. Then fold in half both ways, unfold and turn over. Collapse into water bomb base and fold the upper only. Turn over and fold the corner past the edge. This is the results. I hope you can do it by yourself.